Hey everyone, and welcome to the engine swap on this Toyota GT86. The original engine was done last compression and started knocking. That means draining fluids, unplugging sensors, removing hoses, disconnecting the exhaust, and carefully unbolting the engine mounts. Because trust me, reassembly goes way smoother when you know where each part came from. With the engine out, we inspect the engine bay for any damage, wear or grime. A clean bay isn't just about looks. It helps with spotting leaks or loose connections later. We give everything a deep clean and prep. The replacement engine is a used OEM unit with solid compression and no visible damage. Before installing it, we change a few things: fresh gaskets. Even with a used engine, preventative maintenance is key to long-term reliability. Now comes the fun part: dropping in the new heart. Every bolt is torqued to spec. The ECU is plugged in, battery connected, and we scan for any stored error codes. All clear. Moment of truth. We turn the key and it fires up. No check engine lights, no leaks. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the process or picked up a tip or two, give us a like and subscribe for more engine swaps and car builds.